Cloudflare, an American technology company that provides a range of internet services and owns pretty much half of the internet today, is improving its product called Cloudflare Containers. A Cloudflare container acts as a box that holds your code and everything it needs to run. You can take this box and start it anywhere, and it will work exactly the same way every time. In other words, it's a way to run your regular Docker code directly in their cloud, distributed all over the world. When I say improving, I mean they've officially cranked up their resource limits by 15 times, including memory, vCPU, and disk. Plus, you can now run way more containers concurrently, which just means at the same time. Here are the exact numbers straight from their changelog. The memory limit of container instances jumped from 400 gigabytes to a massive 6 terabytes. Memory, or RAM, is what your application uses to process large amounts of data all at once. The vCPU limit of container instances went from 100 to 1,500. Think of the vCPU as the brains of the container. The more brains you have, the faster you can handle complex calculations. The disk limit of container instances went from 2 terabytes to 30 terabytes. This is where the container stores temporary files. In Cloudflare, this disk is ephemeral, meaning it's temporary. If the container restarts, the data is wiped clean. A container instance is basically a single running copy of your container. Think of it like this. If a container is your recipe, an instance is the actual dish you've cooked and served. If you have a lot of users, you do not need just one dish. You need thousands of them running at the same time to feed everyone. If previously you could only run about 100 powerful containers, with this latest improvement you can run 1,000 heavy-duty ones or 15,000 small ones simultaneously. As a result, you do not need to build complex infrastructure on AWS or Kubernetes anymore. And finally, this is a direct call out to other cloud providers. Cloudflare finally has the room for your heaviest tasks.